Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about CPR Kiosk, Terra drone inspection, Flipboard's notes feature contents, Twitter, BuzzFeed implements OpenAI. A new innovation in CPR training is launching in the Miami Valley in February. Catering Health, in partnership with the American Health Association, is gearing up to launch a new mobile hands-only CPR training kiosk. The training kiosk will provide hands-only CPR training to people in 5 minutes or less. The kiosk features a touchscreen video program with a brief introduction and overview of hands-only CPR, followed by a practice session and a 30-second test. The practice mannequin on the kiosk will help to give feedback about the depth and rate of compressions and proper hand placement, with the aim of improving quality of life. Next, Terra Drone has raised $14 million in Series C funding at a valuation of $200 million from Wide Ventures, the venture capital arm of Saudi Aramco. CEO of Terra Drone, Toru Tokushige, founded Terra Drone to develop drone software like global air traffic management to prevent collisions by enabling safe and efficient drone and urban air mobility operations. Drones are supposed to detect things like oil leakage, and in conjunction with Saudi's plan to increase fossil fuel production. Lastly, Flipboard is bringing its Notes feature to its iOS and Android apps. The launch made Flipboard the latest contender in the battle to relocate some of the online conversations taking place on Twitter onto its own platform instead. The Notes feature offers an easy way to share ideas or to start conversations. Flipboard's curators can now publish original content into their magazine in order to engage with their readers in a conversation. Flipboard says that notes are especially useful in group magazines where multiple people are curating content together. Here's something for you to think about. BuzzFeed is working with ChatGPT creator OpenAI to use artificial intelligence to help create content for its audience. This marks a milestone in how media companies implement new technology into their businesses. The technology will be used to create quizzes, help with brainstorming, and assist in personalizing content to its audience. AI can benefit both content creators and audiences, inspiring new ideas and inviting audience members to co-create personalized content. So is OpenAI disrupting content creation? You tell me. In summary, CPR Kiosk feature a brief introduction to CPR methods in partnership with the American Health Association. Japan's Terra drone gets $14 million backing by Saudi investors for oil leakage inspecting drones. Flipboard features a For You feed that allows users to select their own news feed to engage in positive material. BuzzFeed is working alongside ChatGPT to implement OpenAI for its content creation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Leadapreneurs YouTube channel to get your weekly updates.